Ice cream yummy. Palapa. Here's our palapa ginamos. Konting ginamos. And then, ang daming ricotta guys. Yummy. Wait. This is the best. Yummy. Yeah. Bago ng battery ng ating cellphone at pumigay na si original. So this is, pangalawang battery. Yan. Pakainin natin si Tasha, the Tarzan, Miss D, kung magustuhan niya, para hindi sa kabuyon. Yan, init pa yun guys, sumusok. Luto natin. Just made it. So yan, short na lang tayo mag-vlog pagka food. Yeah, kasi wala namang changes ng features always sa food, not like kung mag walk in tayo outside, ang dami nating nakikita, mapipicture out natin sa ating camera. So ganito na lang tayo, 1 to 2 minutes kapag food ang ating vlog, and then pabutin natin ng 2 minutes. Okay, there you go, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Mita is 2 minutes. It's 3 seconds. Mita. YouTube, let's try 3 minutes. Okay. Yan, magka-networking na naman sila guys. Sister company na naman yan. Si YouTube at saka si Meta. Sila lang yan. Ayan. Gawin natin 3 minutes. This is for YouTube. Our palapa ginamos palapa. Our ingredients is chili, green chili, red chili, string onion, garlic, and the bombastic onion, tomato, and the lemongrass. Yeah, we have lemongrass, pampabango, and ginger, garlic also. Ayan, so 3 minutes na tayo. Yay! Bombastic! Boom!